When using the workspace, you can hear text read aloud as well as recording and listening to your own voice notes. To listen to text in a cell, simply right-click the cell,
Political,
to hear the text within that cell read aloud. Alternatively, click the Sound Shift button here, and then just click the cell.
Autocratic,
Double-clicking the Sound Shift icon will keep it enabled.
Autocratic, Unbalanced, Nobles,
This is ideal for use on a touch screen or an interactive whiteboard. Simply click the Sound Shift icon again to turn it off. To add a voice note, click here to choose New Objects and then drag the voice note cell onto the board. Double-click the cell to open the sound recorder. Then you can click here to record your voice note. Causes of the French Revolution. The play button lets you listen back. Causes of the French Revolution. If you want to re-record, simply use the record button again. When you click on Done, your voice note will appear as a speech bubble icon. Simply click the cell to listen to your recording. Causes of the French Revolution. And remember, you can re-record a voice note as many times as you want to.